The Smoothie Diet 21-Day Weight Loss Program. This ebook is very well put together. Easy to follow and understand. It starts off by giving you reasons to try the smoothie diet, highlighting the benefits of drinking smoothies. It gives readers great tips on how to make smoothies, recommendations, and options. I'm a smoothie drinker and I'm amazed at all the various and very interesting types of smoothies you can make. The step-by-step guide is easy to follow and understand. It starts you off with a 3-day detox with suggested meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, as well as snacks. If you've never done a 3-day detox, you'll need to understand the process that your body goes through and the changes that are going on so that your body can eliminate toxins. In most cases, there are side effects. I love how this book addresses those side effects and gives readers recommendations on how to remedy those side effects, such as headaches, managing hunger, etc. Once you've passed the detox stage, it goes into the 21-day smoothie plan. The book provides a weekly grocery list, and a day-to-day guide on how to prepare the smoothies, along with snacks and meals throughout the day. After the end of each week, there is a weekly wrap-up, with encouraging and motivational quotes as well as a notes page for the reader to jot down any thoughts or ideas. The great thing about the weekly plans in this book is that at the beginning of each week, it gives you a snapshot of what to expect so that you are ready and prepared. Amazingly, this book is not just about smoothie recipes. It also provides great recipes for various, nutritious salads. Exercise is also always encouraged as well and stresses the importance of physical activity. Click the link in the description.